G'day, my name is John Stevenson and this is Bob.
G'day.
From Seymours Quality Used Cars. We're a family-owned dealership established for over 20 years in Newcastle under the big blue marquee at 112 Tudor Street, Hamilton, offering affordable quality used cars.
Guaranteed.
It's our pleasure to offer this quality vehicle you have inquired about.
Please enjoy this virtual tour with my son John.
See more value, see more deals. See more at Seymours. See Bob or John for your next wheels. See more at Seymours.
Take your pick from quality used cars at Seymours. All vehicles are backed with a 1, 3 or 5 year warranty for guaranteed peace of mind. See for yourself at Seymours on Tudor Street, Hamilton.
See more at Seymours. See more at Seymours. See more at Seymours. See more at Seymours. See more value, see more deals. See more at Seymours. See Bob or John for your next wheels. See more at Seymours.
Take your pick from quality used cars at Seymours. All vehicles are backed with a 1, 3 or 5 year warranty for guaranteed peace of mind. See for yourself at Seymours on Tudor Street, Hamilton.
See more at Seymours. See more at Seymours for quality used cars.
For further information, you can call our office on 4969 3424.
See you soon.